Hello everyone, this is HighTech Tutorials back with a new video. This video is going to be a little different than my usual videos. Today, in this video, I'll be attempting to print Hello World in 10 different languages. Also, I'm using computer-generated audio for the first time, so let me know what you think about that in the comments. Anyways, let's start the video. I have loaded up 10 compilers, interpreters, for the 10 languages which I'm going to use. Here is the list of the languages. The timestamp for each language is available in the description. Number 1, Java. Number 2, C.
Traveling close to the speed of light is a kind of elixir of life. Because time slows down close to the speed of light, special relativity provides us with a means of going to the stars.
Number 3, PHP. Number 4, Basic.
Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove it. 'Cause if you can
Number 5, JavaScript.
make way for the genie, scream for the dream may come true. Have you ever played with a queen?
Number 6, Python.
I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. I got you in another league.
Number 7, HTML.
Can you meet me on my level? Oh baby, is your reign over? Can you battle with the devil? Oh baby, is the game over?
Number 8, C++.
I want your devotion, all your emotions in my hand. I want your obsession, every affection.
Number 9,
will go
R.
mad. And if you define me, you won't survive me, you'll be there. 'Cause I am the giant, I am the diamond, not a man.
Number 10, x64 assembly.
I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. I got you in the Can you meet me on my level? Oh baby, is your reign over? Can you battle with the devil? Oh baby, is the game over?
So there you have it, guys. Hello world in 10 different languages. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then hit the subscribe button. But that is all for today, and I'll see you all in the next video very soon.